the registration number plate, which I was advised not to show out here. That's why I have come to the next camera, that is Nakawa metal fabrication, and it shows clearly the motor vehicle being driven towards Lugogo. That is the method.
Mukatambyako emotoka yali evugibwa kuliko akasale emotoka suspect eyo gye yalimu ngera ali ekwatibwa kamera zaabwe ku Nakawa metal fabrications yali evugibwa ng'edda mu bitundu by'e Lugogo.
My lord, that is now the motor vehicle at Lugogo Rugby, proceeding towards New Vision traffic lights. As you can see there, my lord, the vehicle proceeds towards Electoral Commission. From Electoral Commission, it comes to Daily Monitor Junction. It proceeds now towards Chibuli. From Chibuli, my lord, it comes to Kisugu Kabalagala Junction. That is the motor vehicle, my lord. There it's now heading towards Kabalagala Junction. From Kabalagala Junction, I again see it at Heritage Junction, Kansanga. That is the motor vehicle, my lord. Proceeding now towards Chitalanga Junction. That is the motor vehicle, my lord, now at Bunga Market. It proceeds towards Ggaba Trading Center. As you see the camera named Ggaba National Water at the junction. Clearly captured it. That is the motor vehicle, my lord. The next camera from National Water is Ggaba Trading Center. And that is that junction as you're coming towards the scene, my lord. The direction is facing is the direction of the scene, my lord. My lord, one of the features that I identified earlier on in the report is the back end tire, the spare tire, as you see. My lord, from there, the next camera that sees this motor vehicle is a private camera at Renewal Circle. The activities I earlier on took you through are all clearly seen here, my lord.
Can you rewind a bit to see how it comes to renewal?
My lord, that's how the vehicle comes to renewal. At the parking, there were other motor vehicles, but he came looking, searching for where to park, and parked right behind that black motor vehicle you see. My lord, that is how the suspect disembarked from the motor vehicle. He closed, as I was earlier on explaining, and confirmed whether it was properly closed.
Can you play it again, that particular activity?
Is that okay? Thank you, my lord. So he therefore now walks towards the scene.
Awo n'amala n'atambula paka ali ku ssiini oba we yatemulira abaana.
My Lord, he finished about 12 minutes from there.
Era kyamutwalira eddakiika nga 12.
Then the suspect participated in the activity of pushing that same motor vehicle. That is now the point where they began pushing. The suspect himself started. So at that point, my Lord, you see the suspect with the backpack, putting on the black glasses.
Were you given any explanation as to why these cameras were not operational?
My Lord, since I interacted with the system myself, I established there was a power breakout at that time.
Abuuziddwa ekibuuzo nti ku kamera za renewal sako ez'obwannannyini nti lwaki kamera ezo zaali tezikola mu ssaawa ez'okumakya wabula zaddako wakati ssaawa 6:52 ye n'agamba mu kuzuulako yali yazuula nti ekiseera ekyo ssaawa amasannyalaze gaali tegaliiko.
And are you aware that was the time that the alleged incidents occurred?
Yes, my Lord.
Then from the recordings, the camera recordings, were you able?
My Lord, that is all about the footages at Wayne's Medical Center and all the movements of the vehicle, my Lord.
On page 11, there is a photo showing a close view of the body and its mark. In situ, I mean, before opening the body and the thorough examination. It was taken in situ before we could open it.
Situ means as found.
As found.
Agambe ku page eyo11 era yakuba ekifaananyi ky'omwana oyo omugenzi ng'omubiri ogwo gw'omugenzi we baagusanga.
About on page 12.
I asked him the reason as to why he killed the children, and his response was he killed these children because he was looking for riches. Accused, in his final remarks with me, said he was sorry for what he did. He apologizes. He said he knew that what he did had consequences. He could be jailed or he could be killed.
Baali bamaliriza suspect oyo ye yagamba nti nno yeetonda era ne yeetonda olw'ebikolwa bye byabadde akoze nti era yamanya nti ebikolwa bye bye yali akoze yamanya nti biyinza okumutuusaako okubeera ng'asibwa oba okubeera ng'attibwa.
What followed?
My Lord, in his expressing his fear and apology, the accused also told me that while still here at the scene, having slaughtered the children, when he saw the crowd coming to respond to the matter, he had made a call to police emergency line 112.